lean into your right a little bit. Like this. 3, 2. Two-Face. You bitch is too fake. Two-Face. You bitch is too fake. Too fake. You bitch is too fake. Two-Face. Two-Face. You bitch is too fake. Too fake. You bitch is too fake. Too fake. You bitch is too face. You bitch is too fake. Bitch you too fake.
Fuck hoes. I don't stunt with my niggas. I fuck your bitch, cause you a pussy nigga.
Pussy nigga.
Kill a hoe, like I killed a bee. Feed your bitch, till my mattress heat. Connie style, fuck a raw. Got to get this bitch, like I fucked it raw. Then I'm going hard. Back on this beat like that because I'm touring. I'm touring so fucking far.
You bitch is too fake. You bitch is too face. You bitch is too fake. You bitch is too face. Too face. You bitch is too fake. You bitch is too fake. These niggas too fake. Too face niggas. Who you think you fucking with? Know why? Bossy's the fucking click. Two face niggas, no time for them. Get them choppers out. Spray them. Two face, you niggas too fake. Two face, you niggas too fake. Too fake, you niggas too fake. Two fake ass niggas, I can't fuck with them.
Can't fuck with niggas. Can't fuck with bitches. They too fake. I'm about to get the figures.
What?
Let my money stack up, then it pile up. When I fuck your bitch, I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck. I'm all up in the cut. She wanna fuck. No, I just wanna get that suck. She duck like a duck.
Quack.
Two face nigga, I got your girl down in my fucking pants. I'm the fucking man, nigga. Hit a handstands, bitch. Two face can't fuck with y'all, but I can't fuck your hoe. Raw. Two face. Bitches two face. Two face. You bitches two face. Two fake. You bitches two face. Two fake. You bitches two fake. Two face. Two face. Two fake. You bitches two fake. Two face. You bitches two fake. Two face. You bitches too fake.
I got your bitch chirping on my phone. Goddamn, I might as well just be in my zone. Going out the door. Running down the steps. Then I'm going up the steps. And yo, bitch, she on my dick. What? I don't know. Cause I rhymed it in line. But who cares? I don't have to rhyme all the fucking time. Cause this shit makes sense. And you know I keep it going up. I'm about to just split this shit like I'm going in the cut.
Two face, you bitches two fake. Two face, you bitches two face. That turned to a real song for a minute.
Oh shit, I gotta go out this bitch though.
Alright.
My nigga. Good rapping with you, my nigga.
Yep. I'm gonna put this one on YouTube.
Just know that.